Yo, what is up, guys? This is Simply Supreme. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. But today we have a good shoe, unlike my last video with these snoozehead pirate blacks. Today we have an NMD R1. It's one of the newer ones that just released, and this one I'm actually pretty excited about. It looks very cool, and let's go ahead and get this thing open. These are from the Adidas website. We got them for $130, I believe. It's the retail price, which is not that bad for a really good and comfortable pair of shoe. The right one. Very nice, very nice. I like that. And here's the other one. But let's go ahead and get a closer look at this shoe. Okay, so for this NMD, the orange accent is what really makes this shoe pop. You have it on the back, also right here, and it says Boost in orange where you lay your foot. So we have this, the classic Adidas 3 stripes, and this, it's almost like a galaxy reflective type of like material, and you also have it on the bigger blocks right here in the back on both sides. This shows up more as like a pinkish purple. See on this one too. And basically the rest of the shoe is black. There's not really any other colors except where it says Adidas right there. So that's pretty much the shoe. It has black painted Boost, and the whole entire bottom is black with the Boost you can see through there, and this back piece says Adidas, all black. So that's pretty much it about these shoes. Okay, so that pretty much wraps up this video on these new NMDs, R1s. They're like the Galaxy colorway, something like that. It doesn't have the Galaxy Boost, but it's from basically that release. And I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to comment what other shoes I should get. I'm doing a sneaker giveaway when I hit 1,000 subscribers, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. But as always, thank you guys for watching.